Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Daily Commodity. Today's topic is related to what is commodity market, what is derivative market, and the difference between commodity market and derivative market. So let us begin. Let me remind you, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications and updates from Daily Commodity. So, what is commodity market? A commodity market is a physical or virtual marketplace for buying, selling and trading a raw material or primary product. There are currently about 50 major commodities market worldwide that facilitates trade in approximately 100 primary commodities. Commodities are of two different types: hard commodity and soft commodity. Hard commodities are typically natural resources that must be mined or extracted, such as gold, rubber, oil, whereas the soft commodities are the agricultural product or livestock, such as corn, wheat, coffee, sugar, soybean, etc. Investors can gain exposure to the commodities by investing in companies that have exposure to commodities, or investing in commodities directly via the future contracts. So now let us know what is commodity derivative. A derivative is a contract between two or more parties whose value is based on an agreed upon underlying financial asset like a security or a set of assets like an index. Common underlying instrument includes bond, commodities, currencies, interest rate, market index and stock. Future contract, forward contract, option, swaps are common use derivatives. Derivative can be used to either mitigate risk, that is hedging, or assume risk with exception, that is speculation. So now let us know what is the difference between commodity market and commodity derivative. So first point, meaning. Commodity market is about trading of precious metal, energy, oil, spices and so on. Gold and other precious metals can be accused in number of ways, including the traditional physical holding, future contracts, demat form, ETF, and through correlated markets such as mining stock. Commodity derivative. A commodity is generally considered to be any kind of tangible good that can be interchangeable with other good of the same type. A derivative are financial instrument whose value is based upon the value of the underlying asset like equity, currency or financial asset or commodity. Most type of derivative instrument are forward, future, option and swaps. Second point, commodity traded. So, the commodities which are traded in commodity market are metal, bullion, fiber, energy, spices, plantation, pulses, petrochemical, oil and oilseed, which includes aluminium, copper, lead, nickel, gold, silver, then cotton yarns, crude oil, natural gas, cardamom, jeera, pepper, red chili, turmeric, cashew, coffee, rubber, chana, yellow peas, then castor oil, coconut cake, coconut oil, and in cereal it includes potato, gore seeds. The commodities traded in Indian commodity derivative market are usually classified into four segments: agricultural commodity, bullion and gems, energy commodity, and metal commodity. Agricultural commodity includes soybean oil, palm oil, gore gum. Bullion and gem includes precious metals like gold, silver, and precious gems like diamond. The third, energy commodity, which includes refined form or byproduct of refined processing, crude oil, natural gas, etc. Metal commodities, which includes brass, copper, iron, steel. Third point, the regulator. The regulator of the commodity market is FMC, that is the Forward Market Commission, that was the chief regulator of commodity future market in India. As of July 2014, it regulated 17 trillion worth of commodity trades in India. It's, it is headquartered in Mumbai, and its financial regulatory agency is overseen by the Ministry of Finance. And in commodity derivative is regulated by SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India, since September 28, 2015. Before 2015, the commodity derivative market was regulated by FMC, that is Forward Market Commission. Fourth point is type of risk. The type of risk included in commodity market are price, quantity, cost, political risk. Price risk occurs when the global and local prices or exchanges rates move drastically. The second is quantity risk. Quantity risk occurs when the availability of the commodity changes. The third is cost risk. Cost risk occurs when the changes of prices of commodity have a negative impact on the business cost. And the last one is political risk, which occurs when the compliance or regulation affects the prices or the availability of the commodity. The risks involved in commodity derivative market are credit risk, market risk, liquidity risk, legal risk, and operational risk. Credit risk is a risk of loss to any participant on account of default by his counterparty. The market risk is the risk of the monetary losses on the account of adverse movement of price. The third is liquidity risk, which is the risk difficulty arising in unwinding transaction due to market becoming illiquid. The fourth is legal risk. Legal risk is the risk arising on account of uncertainty due to legal actions or uncertainties in acceptability or interpretation of the contract, laws, or regulation due to uncertainty and complexity related to successful delivery of goods of specified quantity. And the last is operational risk. Operational risk is a risk arising out of some operational difficulties like failure of electricity, internet connectivity, transportation strikes, etc. The last point is benefits. So the benefits of commodity market are price discovery, hedging, import-export competitiveness, and portfolio diversification. First, price discovery. Based on the input regarding the specific market information, buyers and sellers conduct trading at future exchanges. This results into continuous price delivery mechanism. The second is hedging. It is a strategy of managing the price risk that is inherent in spot market by taking an equal but opposite position in future market to protect their business from adverse price change. The third is import export competitiveness. The exporters can hedge their price risk and improve their competitiveness by making use of the future market. A majority of the traders which are involved in physical trade internationally intend to buy forward. The existence of the future market allows the exporter to hedge their proposed purchase by temporarily substituting for actual purchase till the time is ripe to buy in physical market. The last one is portfolio diversification. Commodities offer at another investment option which is largely negative correlated with the equity and currency and thus could offer great portfolio diversification. The benefits of commodity derivative market provides various direct and indirect benefits to commodity value chain participants. The main benefits are national nationwide platform, hedging the price risk, development of market infrastructure, provides a nationwide platform for discovery of prices and enables physical market participants to hedge their prices. Second, in the absence of the future trading, various value chain participants like small producer and end users lose an invaluable tool for hedging their price risk, getting advanced price signals of the commodity and for making informed decision on cropping timing of the sales. Third one, a successful future contract in any commodity catalyzed the development of marketing infrastructure like warehousing facilitates which turns facilitates pledge financing through the warehousing and bank networks. So if you like the video, please do like, comment and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.